What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to insert a SIM card on your S16 Ultra Smartwatch. Now right out of the box, your S16 Ultra Smartwatch should come with a SIM card ejector tool that looks just like this one over here inside of the box, or sometimes you might actually get a SIM card ejector tool that looks just like this one over here. Now basically, to remove the SIM card tray from your S16 Ultra Smartwatch, you want to turn over to the left hand side of the smartwatch, and this is basically where the SIM card tray is. So what you want to do is to simply just go ahead and get your SIM card ejector tool, if it actually comes with something that looks just like this one, and then at the back over here you're going to see that there is a little space in it. So you just want to go ahead and insert the tool inside of this little hole until it enters, and then you want to pull it upward just like so. Now once you pull it upward, you should now be able to remove the SIM card tray from your S16 Ultra Smartwatch. If yours actually comes with a SIM card ejector tool that looks just like this one, what you want to do is to go ahead and look for the pin that is usually at the top of the SIM card tray over here. You're going to see a little hole, so you just want to go ahead and insert it, press it a little bit, and it's going to come up for you to be able to remove the SIM card tray from the S16 Ultra Smartwatch. In my case, you just want to go ahead and pull it at the back over here and pull it outward, and you should be able to remove the SIM card tray from the S16 Ultra Smartwatch. Now you want to go ahead and get your SIM card. Mine is over here. You can literally see that it is a Nano SIM card, and then you're actually going to notice the little cord on your SIM card tray over here, and then there is also a little cord on your SIM card as well. So you just want to insert it just like so that the cord actually at this end fits with the one on your SIM card. And once you've done that, you want to come over to your S16 Ultra Smartwatch, and then at this end you just want to go ahead and carefully insert it inside of the smartwatch. Make sure it closes properly. And once this is done, keep in mind that the SIM card will not just start working automatically. You actually have to go ahead and restart or reset the smartwatch. So you want to press on the power button, long press on it for some few seconds, and you're going to see the rebooting option. Just go ahead and reboot the smartwatch just like so. And once the smartwatch is properly turned on now, you should now be able to make and receive calls from your SIM card on your S16 Ultra Smartwatch. So if you come over to the call icon over here and try to make a call, then click on the call icon over here, you can now see that we can properly make calls and receive calls from our SIM card on our S16 Ultra Smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.